In this video, we are going to learn how to track a LOE activity or the level of effort activity. The level of effort activity is one of the activity types in Primavera P6. So in this case, for our project, we have 4 tasks. As you can see, one is a start milestone, another is a finish milestone. In between, you have activity A, and also you have a level of effort activity. This can be seen by going to the general tab in the bottom part, and as you can see, A1020 is a level of effort activity. Now here in the graphical side, we have activity A, which is shown in this red bar. Below that, we have the level of effort activity, which is spanning from 4th October till 8th of October. This task or activity is also spanning from 4th of October till 8th of October. Now to track, we have to set the data date. To do that, I'll go to the tools bar, or here in the tools bar I'll choose update progress, and here I'm going to give the new data date. Let us say the new data date is 6, and I'll say select. Now when I did that, as you can see, the progress spotlight came up, and we have this vertical red line for the progress line, and this one is with respect to the vertical blue line is with respect to the data line. Now we are going to track. So first I'll take the start, and I'll go to status in the bottom part. Here I'll say started. When I say started, automatically you have the duration % complete coming as 100%. Here the duration % complete is mapping to activity % complete. If you would have noticed, the schedule % complete is now 0% because we have not scheduled yet. We will do the scheduling after we have completed the tracking. Next, I am going to choose activity A, which is a task dependent activity, and I'll say started. Again, it started, duration % complete. Let us say as of the status date or the data date, which is 6th of October, we are 50% complete. So I'll say 50. Now it got 50, and here also we have activity % complete coming as 50%. Next, I will tell A1020, which is a level of effort activity. Here again it started, and the duration % complete, let us say 50% again. Now here also we can see the progress line, that is the red color vertical line, is moving as we update the progress. After we are done with our progress, next we are going to schedule it. To schedule it, I'll go to the tools toolbar, and here I'll press on this clock icon and say schedule, and I'm going to choose the data date of 6th of October, and I'm going to say select. Then I'm going to say schedule. Now when I did that, as you can see, we have the scheduling happened. This portion, that is the blue colored one, is with respect to actual data or actual work. Here it is the remaining work. So if I chose activity A, as you can see, the actual is 2 days, the remaining is 3 days. Here if I take the level of effort activity, the actual again is 2 days, the remaining is 3 days. So it is now tracked and scheduled. Now how these bars are coming? These bars are coming because of the bar styles. So I'll right click and go to the bars. So in the bars, you have to enable, one is level of effort and also actual level of effort. So I'll double click here. As you can see, remaining level of effort and actual level of effort, these two you have to enable. If you want to see the baseline, then the primary baseline can be enabled. You can click on it and enable it and say OK. Now you can see the primary baseline, which is the yellow color one, is coming up. So to recap, so I'm going to take a closer look, and I am going to go close. So as you can see, we have the activity A. Here it is 40 complete, that is the schedule % complete. Then we have, this is the remaining work. For LOE activity, we have this, the blue colored one is with respect to the actual work. This is our actual duration complete, and here is the remaining duration complete. That is it. This is how you track a level of effort activity. A detailed article with step-by-step instructions have been given in the video description notes below. You can check that article on how to track the level of effort activity. Subscribe to this channel to know more about Primavera P6 and how actually Primavera P6 does scheduling and tracking with respect to a project plan. I hope this video is useful for you. If it is useful, then share with others to tell how a LOE activity is actually tracked.